Hello creatives, greetings to everyone and welcome to this session with Gando Graphics. So guys, in this video, I'm going to write you through the process of creating an invitation card like this. Okay, the process of creating an invitation card like this. So it's really simple. It's really simple. So we are just going to erase this and let's delete this text. Okay, so if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure you do that because I'll be uploading amazing content, graphic design, and also tips on how to do so many things related in the field of graphic design. Okay, so let's move into it. So what we'll be using is the background. I'm just going to import it so it fills our workspace. Okay, so once we click here, always know we are working on the background. So I'm going to select from gallery. Okay, let's just click from gallery, and I'm going to bring in my background. Okay, so this is the background. I'll just click the check mark. Okay, so it fills the workspace. Okay, so we already have the information which was sent for the design. So with the help of technology advancing, and people get to create amazing backgrounds, which as a graphic designer it gets to help you very much to easily come out with something which is good. Okay, so the reason I use this is because the client wanted something like this. That's the sample. Okay, they sent to me. So if you need I have lots of backgrounds like this on invitation card. So if you need them, do well to leave a message in the comment section, or you can just click on the link and message me directly on WhatsApp, and I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so let's move straight into it. So we'll start with the save the date. Okay, change it to capital letters, and let's just align it this way. Let's reduce the size. It's too much. Okay, I think this is good. And the font we'll be using is Montserrat medium, and we'll be aligning our text to the center. Okay, so we'll place it here, and also the name of the couples. We have the lady. For the lady, we have this Gracie, and the font we'll be using here is called Brittany. A Brittany font. Okay, so I'm just going to increase the size of it. So the color I'll be using here, it's the brown color. That we'll need to select any color which is found on this. Okay, so we'll be using this color. Okay, for the design, let's increase the size. Okay, this is okay, and we'll be changing the color two of these to the same color, and we'll place it like this. So we'll make a copy, and we have the name of the man, which is Samuel. Okay, so we'll just need to come to padding and increase the padding. So you see the letter L is cut, so we increase it so to the right, so we can see the letter, properly see the letter. So I'll make a copy of this. I'll edit the text to Anne. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is what I want. So we'll just use the position tool to bring it here. Let's bring it down here. So it's the same size, that is the same size, that's 1 to 124. Okay, so the next thing will be adding a shape. Let's click on shape, and I want to create a line. Okay, so we'll change the color of this to this color. Let's reduce it. Okay, so relative position, let's ensure it's at the center. I think let's reduce it again. It's too thick. Let's make it a bit thinner. Okay, so this is okay. Let's ensure it's at the center. So we'll move it to the top again, and let's make a copy of it. Let's copy relative position, bring it down. So we use the position tool now to bring it down again. I think this is okay. Okay, so I'll be bringing in my icon. That's the calendar icon. Okay, so I'll reduce the size of it. I'll change the color to the same color we are using. So now when you randomly pick backgrounds, okay, you select a background like this, which has already been designed. Make sure that the color that you are using for your design should be picked from the color should be picked from that particular background. Okay, so that's a trick. You pick it from the background. Now we cannot use white because where we are inputting the information is white, so it's not really going to be good. Let's reduce it. I think. Okay, so this is okay. So let's add another text. Maybe this. So we'll be adding the date, which is 14th of December. Well, let's just put that. And we'll be changing the font because I want a long font. So we'll be using Bebas New. Okay. And let's use the relative position to ensure that it comes down, and let's use the position tool to move it here. So the size is, we'll increase it. Let's just leave it like this. Now we change the color to this. Okay, So it's really simple, and the Brittany font is really good. You see the way it is. It's really good, a good script font. Okay, so I'll make a copy of this and let's change it. Let's include the the month and the. So I'll be changing the font to Montserrat. I only needed the long font for the date. Let me see. Yes, Montserrat. Let's see, bold. And let's reduce now the line spacing. Let's reduce the size. Okay. So let's bring it close to this 14th. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, so next thing is we are going to use a line to separate this, and we'll change the color to. You're just going to bring it down. So we'll be writing the time, and please increase the size. We'll place it here. So let's move it. So let's bring this one closer. Okay, so I think we are good to go. So the next thing which we'll be adding is the location. The church premises of. So we change it to capital letters. The font so is Montserrat medium. Mind you, when designing, I'm sure I always make mention of this in most of my videos, that you have a maximum of 3 fonts to use. So far on this design, we've used the Brittany, we've used Montserrat and we've used Bebas Neo, which is a long font. So that's the maximum number of fonts which we can use on our design. Okay. Okay, so let's move this to the top a little. Okay, we'll just copy this and we are going to include the contact. Okay, so you see how beautiful this looks like. Okay, how beautiful it looks like. So it's really simple and it's really simple. So like I said, I have tons of such backgrounds. If you need any, you leave a message either on WhatsApp or in the comment section, and I'm going to share my contact so we get connected and I share the video. I share these backgrounds with you. So please, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe. I just want to move this up because there's a lot of space at the top here. So if this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Just like the video, you can also share. Okay, so this is a wedding invitation card which was designed using the pixellab application. If there's any question, any worry, please ensure you leave me a message and I am going to respond to your worries.